Hey guys, I'm at the beach right now and I'm gonna show you guys how to do beach makeup. So if you're at the beach, you don't really need a lot of makeup. But if you really want to wear makeup, I suggest wear very minimal amount of makeup because you're just gonna sweat and you're gonna swim. If you just want a little bit of color on your skin, so this is going to be like sweat proof and waterproof, but at the same time it's very simple and it's just gonna give you a little bit of color on your skin without you can't wear cakey makeup, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it now. The first thing that I do is I apply my brows. Since I can't wear eyeshadow, I just apply brows. So I'm just using the Maybelline Brow Master something. So I don't have a mirror right now and I'm just gonna use my viewfinder. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just filling in my brows. So since I'm at the beach right now, I don't want full brows. It has to look like feathery and fluffy so it looks more natural. This is actually what I do at the beach. And right now I'm wearing contacts because I want to enjoy the view. But if I'm gonna swim, I take it off. Just a little bit like that. So next, I cover my under eye circles with concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. And this is my favorite because it's very blendable. It's perfect for the beach because it's very lightweight. And yeah, so I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes. But sometimes when you're at the beach, you drink and party. So what you can do is cover your under eye circles if you didn't get enough sleep. Just a little bit. You can't put a lot because it's just you're just gonna sweat. So I'm just going to blend this in. Use your ring finger because it's the weakest and it's the one that uses less pressure. So it's very gentle for your under eyes. Okay, so just blend, blend, blend. It should be almost invisible because it should look as natural as possible. Okay, so next you're gonna cover your, if you have any spots or blemishes, you can go ahead and use your concealer. So I have this Real Techniques concealer brush and the Time Balm concealer. So I'm just going to cover my blemishes if I have. So I have a little bit here, here, and here. I have a little bit of discoloration around my mouth. So I'm just gonna use concealer for that. So the key to a beach makeup is red cheeks and then like a kissable, juicy lips. So what you need is a lip tint, and you can use any lip tint, but it's nice to use something with an orange tint or like a red tint. Just use any lip and cheek tint. So I'm just using a red tint. And cheek tints are perfect because you don't need any beauty tools. You can use your finger to blend it. And lips. Wow, this is big.
Yeah.
That's butter.
That's us.